Hey, I'm Adam, your math coach. Let's solve this SAT question. A three-digit number XYZ is formed of three different non-zero digits X, Y, and Z. The new number is formed by rearranging the same three digits. What is the greatest possible difference between the two numbers? For example, 345 could be rearranged into 435 for a difference of 90. Okay, let's so if you want to give this problem a try, pause the video. Let's see how we can solve this. Okay, we want to get the greatest possible difference. When do we can get the greatest possible difference? If we have the smallest amount, so smallest digit subtracted from the greatest digits. So what do I mean? We need a 9 and a 1. Because if we subtract 1 from 9, that would be 8. That would be the greatest difference we can have. So what would a number like this look like? Well, let's say that XYZ would be 1, Y, 9. So that is a number. Y is a digit here. So it would be like 129, 139, 149, 119 couldn't be because they are different. But it would be number. Okay. So we could rearrange these to get the greatest difference, which would be that we start with a 9. Okay, so we will start with 9 because then it would be the greatest possible difference. And what is the next largest number we could put here? Well, we have a 1, but we know that the three digits are different, so Y couldn't be 1. Therefore, Y is greater than 1. Therefore, the next digit would be Y, and then 1. So how did we get these numbers? We get them by trying to put numbers. So we want to have a smallest and the largest number. The smallest number would be that every digit from left to right would be the smallest, because the value then would be the smallest, and the same with the largest one. So we can see if we subtract these from each other, actually y would be cancel. We don't. Y could be like 2, 3, 4, 5. We would subtract from y, then it would be 0. So it doesn't matter the value. If we subtract 1 from 9, 9 from 1, that would be 8. Wait. No, sorry. That would be, to get 11 from 9, we will need 2. Then you would have 9 here and 8 here. I mean 7. Okay, that's a little chunky. It's no good. So let's say y is equal to 2 and we can calculate it better. So 921 minus 129, this would be 2. This would be 3 subtract 3 for 3 for 12 is 9, and 9 minus 2 is 7. So answer will be 792. I hope my explanation is understandable. If not, please tell me in the comment section, and I will explain it better. I will try. So did you manage to solve it? Tell me. And if you want to see more problems like this, check out my other videos. These are the one waiting for you in the description. Thank you.